Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Blink camera firmware via Blink app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Blink app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your Blink account. From the home screen, locate the camera you wish to update. Tap on the camera icon to access its settings. Scroll down to find the device settings option. Select device settings to open the menu. Look for the firmware versions section. Check if an update is available for your camera. If an update is available, you will see an option to update firmware. Tap on the Update Firmware button. The app will begin downloading the firmware update. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments. After the download, the app will automatically install the update. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. To ensure the update was successful, check the firmware version again. If the version number has changed, your firmware is now up to date. Close the settings and return to the home screen. Your Blink camera is now ready to use with the latest firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.